Morning rains as Peter and Paul through reconciliation party. Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to AYNK where I'll be trailing you with amazing facts and gist. It's no longer a news that Peter and Paul has reconciled as Peter took Paul's children on a shopping in US. The 40-year-old brothers who started their music career in 1999 dominated the African music industry for over a decade until 2016 when they fell out. It was reported about a breakup surfaced after Peter sent a termination letter to their lawyers, Festus Kayamo, on the 25th of September 2017. The music duo, once known as P-Square, became two separate artists independent of each other. Peter adopted the moniker Mr. P, while Paul became known as Rude Boy. Not only did the separation affect their career, it also affects their personal lives. Fans kept anticipating their reconciliation and heard on a line in one of their hits 2015 be titled Busybody, which went and Peter then be no one be two. But all hopes were dashed when on August 17, 2020, Peter tweeted that fans should stop anticipating a reconciliation. Peter, who is the most outspoken of the Okoye brothers, has interfered that their elder brother and ex-manager Jude was behind the irreconcilable part between himself and his twin brother. He has explained that the whole drama began after Peter began posting the lyrics of the most of their songs, which they had together on Instagram, and claimed to be the writer. He also accused Paul of being weak and not standing up to their older brother. And the aftermath of the reconciliation, their newly formed bromies did not stop at mere following each other on Instagram. Wow, that's nice. Peter also took Paul's children on shopping spree in Texas, where the current
Baby,